The star within us, a journey to the heart of the sun, a radiant sphere of fire. It rises with such reliability that we take it for granted. But this beacon in the sky, is no ordinary object. It is a star, a churning, seething, gravitationally bound nuclear furnace. And in its light is written the story of life, of death, of time itself. Our existence depends on its unrelenting generosity. For we are children of the sun, bound to it by the laws of gravity and the poetry of physics. Deep in the core of the sun, at 15 million degrees Celsius, hydrogen atoms dance a violent ballet. They collide, fuse, and become helium. In that moment, a fraction of their mass is lost and transformed into pure energy. Every second, the sun annihilates 4 million tons of matter, yet we do not notice because that destruction brings light, and warmth, and life. This energy takes thousands of years to travel from the core to the surface, through dense radiative zones and convective currents. And then, at last, it breaks free into the vacuum of space. 8 minutes and 20 seconds later, it touches your skin. The sunlight you feel now was born long before you awoke this morning. Before you were born, perhaps even before humans discovered fire. The sun is ancient, 4.6 billion years old. And yet it is in the prime of its life. It is a G-type main sequence star, modest in cosmic terms, but just right for life on Earth. Not too hot, not too cold. Like Goldilocks in the galactic nursery. The sun is not just our source of heat and light. It is the gravitational anchor of the entire solar system. 99.86% of all mass in the solar system belongs to the sun. Planets, moons, comets, asteroids, we are the mere leftovers of its formation. As it formed from a collapsing molecular cloud, the sun ignited at its center, and the surrounding dust coalesced into the planets we now know. Its gravity commands the motion of every planet. It sculpts the paths of comets. It even wobbles slightly under the gravitational tug of Jupiter and Saturn. The solar wind, a stream of charged particles flowing outward, shapes the very boundary between our solar system and interstellar space, the heliosphere. The sun is not static. It spins, faster at its equator than at its poles. It boils, it breathes, it erupts in solar flares, immense storms that can reach across the void and disrupt our satellites and power grids. Its surface is alive with sunspots, cooler, darker regions formed by magnetic chaos. And its outermost layer, the corona, is a puzzle. Why is it hotter than the surface below? We don't yet know. The sun still keeps its secrets. The sun will not shine forever. Like all stars, it is governed by the laws of thermodynamics and time. It is halfway through its life. In 5 billion years, it will exhaust the hydrogen in its core. When that time comes, it will grow, expanding outward into a red giant. It will consume Mercury, Venus, perhaps even Earth. The oceans will boil, the crust will melt, the sky will glow not blue but red. And then, at the twilight of its life, the sun will shed its outer layers into space, forming a planetary nebula, a beautiful halo of ionized gas. What remains will be a white dwarf, a stellar ember. No longer a furnace, but a ghost. It will slowly cool over trillions of years. And in time, even it will fade into darkness. The sun within us, we are made of star stuff. The iron in your blood, the calcium in your bones. These elements were forged in ancient stars, perhaps in stars like our sun. The energy in the food you eat comes from sunlight captured by plants. Every heartbeat, every breath. You are living on sunlight, paused and preserved in chemical bonds. The sun is not just out there, it is in us. And as we gaze at its golden light, we are not merely witnesses to a star, we are witnesses to our own origin, our future, our place in the cosmos. For as long as it shines, the sun will remind us of something profound. That we belong to the universe, and the universe somehow belongs to us. What interests you the most about the sun? Let us know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and share.